Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. You are going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I will take you straight there. If you have strong fingers, you don't need any tools, but if you don't have strong fingers, go ahead and get a flat tip screwdriver. So first thing you want to do is remove this piece. This is your mechanical key. Go ahead and pull that out. And just put your thumb in that indentation or the screwdriver. Then you can either use this key here or a screwdriver and push these halves off, but your fingers can also do the trick. See, it's pretty firm in there. And again, you can use your fingers here, but a screwdriver or your key is kind of just as easy. You can kind of push right here, and then you now have access to your battery. Take out your old battery, your new one goes in like that, and then you want to place this position like that. And go ahead and twist it with your fingers or push it in with the key or a screwdriver, whatever you've got. So these are replaced like this. You want to make sure that that clips in right there on both sides. Replace your mechanical key and then you can test it right here and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.